We recently covered the first period, which is Anglo-Saxon period in English literature. Uh, when we continue in the periods of English literature, the second period is Anglo-Norman period. We also call it Middle English period. This is the second period in English literature. Middle English. This is called Middle English period. We also call it the Anglo-Norman period. Anglo-Norman period. We call it Anglo-Norman because of the Norman conquest that happened in 1066. So to make a very comprehensive understanding of the English literature, we have to study the periods in a chronological sequence. The first Anglo-Saxon period was called Old English period. Now this second period is called Middle English. And it starts with the Norman conquest. This was the starting of the period. And different languages mixed with the English, Old English, like Norman and French mixes with the English, mixes with Old English. This is where Middle English began. Middle English began. Court and administration used these languages, French and Latin. And English became common among the people. English became common among the people. A language grows when its native speakers are growing abundantly. If we come to key writers of this period, one of the greatest writers in English literature, Geoffrey Chaucer, belongs to this age. We can also call it Age of Chaucer. Age of Chaucer. Geoffrey Chaucer. If we name one of the works of Geoffrey Chaucer, we can write Canterbury Tales. The Canterbury Tales. William Langland also belonged to this Middle English period. He is famous for Piers the Plowman. Piers Plowman. Piers the Plowman. Another famous work in this period is Sir Gawain. This is a work, this is not a name. And the Knight. And this is anonymous. The writer of this work is not known, anonymous. So this is to set the precedent. We will study about Geoffrey Chaucer, William Langland, and the trends, the important notes about this particular age will be discussed in detail. So this video is about specifically about setting the chronological sequence, the English literature periods, chronological sequence of the English literature period.